Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a lion, the king of the jungle. First, let's start with the head. I draw a big round shape. The head is strong and proud, just like a lion. Next, draw the ears. Add two small round ears on top of the head. They sit gently on the lion's head. Now let's draw the fringe around the face. Draw short, soft lines around the head. This is the beginning of the lion's mane. Add the nose next. Draw a small triangle or oval in the middle of the face. The nose helps the lion smell the world around him. Now draw the mouth. From the nose, draw a short line down, then two gentle curves. The lion looks calm and friendly. Let's draw the big mane. Around the head, draw a huge fluffy mane. Use many curved lines to make it look big and soft. Only male lions have big manes. The mane helps protect their neck and makes them look bigger and stronger. Now it's time for the eyes. Draw two round eyes above the nose. The lion's eyes are strong and brave, but also kind. Add the whiskers. Draw a few long lines on each side of the face. These whiskers help the lion feel what is around him. Next, draw the body. Draw a long rounded shape under the head. The lion's body is strong and powerful. Now, draw the tail. At the back of the body, draw a long tail. At the end of the tail, add a small fluffy tuft. The tail helps the lion keep balance when he walks and runs. Finally, it's time to color your lion. Use yellow, orange or brown for the body and mane. You can make the mane darker to make it look strong and royal. Well done! You have drawn a beautiful lion, full of power and pride. See you next time in Stories in Color, where every drawing becomes an adventure. Please subscribe.